Subaru just dropped a bombshell. Two of their most legendary performance cars are getting a limited edition makeover. Stick around, because this is big. But before we get started, smash like and hit subscribe. Support the channel so we can keep bringing you the hottest car news. For 2026, Subaru is launching limited edition versions of the BRZ and the WRX, and they're calling it the Series.Yellow. Yeah, you heard that right. This special edition builds on the TS trims, but with a blinding sunrise yellow paint job. If that sounds familiar, it's because Subaru has done this before with the 2015 Crosstrek Special Edition and Japan's exclusive BRZ STI Sport and WRX STIS 207. Now here's where it gets spicy. The WRX gets Recaro performance seats with yellow stitching and yellow accents running through the perforations. The BRZ? It steps up with black upholstery, yellow stitching on the seats, steering wheel, shifter, even the parking brake. Subtle details, but man, they pop. And by the way, if you're loving this breakdown so far, hit that like button. Seriously, it helps more than you think. Here's the kicker. Both Series.Yellow models are manual only. That's right, no automatics here, just pure driver engagement. The BRZ pairs its 6-speed with a 228 horsepower, 2.4-liter naturally aspirated flat 4. Meanwhile, the WRX packs the turbocharged 2.4-liter flat 4, pumping out 271 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Same power as the TS trims, but with exclusivity and style cranked to 11. Here's the part that stings. Production is capped at only 350 units for each model. That's right, blink and you'll miss it. These cars are gonna vanish fast. Pricing? Subaru's keeping that secret for now, but expect an announcement closer to launch. So here's the question. Are these Series.Yellow editions just flashy collector bait? Or do they actually take the WRX and BRZ to the next level? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown. And if you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe because you do not want to miss what's coming next. Until then, drive safe, stay passionate, and I'll catch you in the next one.